The Compare plugin within MyEyedro displays a graphical and statistical comparison of consumption data between two display groups. The graph shown at the top left-hand side of the screen represents Series A, while the graph directly below it represents Series B. To the right, you'll find statistics detailing the minimum, maximum, average, and total consumption for each series, as well as the resulting comparison. Clicking the cog icon in the top right-hand corner will open the plugin settings. Here you can specify the comparison type between a straightforward statistical analysis, addition, or subtraction. When addition or subtraction is selected, a third graph series representing the resulting comparison operation will appear at the bottom left-hand side. Below comparison type, you can specify the display group, date, and time for each series in the comparison. To view additional settings, tick the More Options checkbox. Here you can specify the consumption step size from 15 minutes, hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly intervals. In this case, let's choose daily. Next, we can set the number of consumption steps in the x-axis. So, say we only want to look at the last week. Checking Synchronized Date Picker will force Series B to use the same time frame as Series A. Unchecking Graph Scale will allow you to specify a manual graph minimum and maximum value. Checking Invert Series A or B will invert the measurement data for that series. Unchecking Statistics will hide the statistics panel on the right-hand side of the screen. Thank you for watching.